In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an advanced image fill for a text background in the Keynote app. First, we have to open up the app. And here we already have a document. From here, we just click on the text box that we want to edit. And then in the right side, we click on Fill. And here we select this toggle list and then click on Advanced Image Fill. Here we can also add an image by clicking on Choose. I've already added one. And then here we have this tinting option. So you want to have a red tint like this, and yeah. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.